Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Facebook page. To delete Facebook page from your computer, first of all log in with your Facebook page that you want to delete. After that, click on the page icon which you can see in the upper right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. From there, click on settings. And from here, select privacy. Here you will see Facebook page information option. Click on it. And now if you scroll down, you can see deactivation and deletion option. Click on it. Here you can either deactivate or delete your Facebook page. So to permanently delete your Facebook page, click on delete page option. Then click continue. And here if you click on continue, they will ask your Facebook password. And if you enter the password correctly, they will permanently delete your Facebook page. To delete the Facebook page from your mobile, first of all, log in with the Facebook page that you want to delete. Then click on the profile icon which you can see in the upper right corner. Now scroll down and select settings and privacy. Here click on settings. And now from here select page settings. From here scroll down and select access and control. Here you can see the deactivation and deletion option. Click on it. Here you can choose whether you want to delete or deactivate the page. So to permanently delete the page, tap on delete page option. Then click on continue. Click continue again. Now if you click on continue, they will ask your Facebook password. And if you enter the Facebook password correctly, your Facebook page will be permanently deleted. So I hope this is helpful for you guys, and see you guys on the next video.